Relay running, never done, with anti-reader in my eyes. And if the lane stops, I won't die. I'm a sister. I won't die. Let's learn Sisters by Kate LeBon. Starts in E minor. That's kind of the rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2, 2, and 3, 4. And then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 on G and A. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so that's the rhythm, and we start with E minor. Go to B minor. If you can't play that, you play a B power chord. And then it goes G, A. Those are the quick ones. And then back to E minor. That's the verse. E minor, B minor, G, A, E minor. And then the chorus starts on G. Walk down to E minor. So G, hit the F sharp at the second fret on the low E, and then go to E minor. I'm just playing this on the low strings. I play C on the A and the D strings. G, F sharp, E minor. That's the chorus. Then there's a little part where they go. I think that's mostly the bass. It's G, E on the D string at the second fret, open D, and then that's an A and on the G string at the second fret. But what I was playing, there's like towards the end of the song, you can hear the guitar more on that. I don't know if that's what they're playing, but that's what I'm playing. A, G, A, G, B. Okay, that's the song. That's the lesson. Thanks. Bye-bye.